Hi, my name is Brain, and I will begin with my final presentation through this video recording. So let's start with the site analysis. So for the site, I have noticed that it is surrounded with a lot of historical buildings because it's located in a landmark area and can be accessed from the main road, which is the Jalan Tun Tan Cheng Lock, and also the famous Kasturi, and from the Klang River Bridge. And the site is quite sound polluted as it is located in a tourist area. So move on to my user information. So she worked as an e-commerce company, and in her daily work is basically meet up with client, take note of their needs, and then start to do the coding, solve and propose idea back to the client. So uh, in her work, it is slightly stress for her, and coding is a must. So in coding involved with a lot of punctuation marks like question mark, exclamation mark, comma, double quote, and equal. So each of them got their own function, and it all of them will be using consecutively whenever a loop happen in the coding. So the idea of concept started with the loop and the functionality of the punctuation marks, and all of these affect the design of the building too. So move on to the schedule of accommodation. So the main space that required for my user, which I have highlighted, which is the prior office, the meeting room that can be used as an meeting room, and also the collaborative room as well, and the breakout room, open plan office for her employee, and also the tree plaza. Because when doing coding, it brings a lot of stress where my client require a place to walk around to get some breathing space, which motivate her to do her work. So in the design, in the operative design, the overall form is designed to depend on my client's needs and my user needs, and also the site condition. So it is double volume building. Ground floor. The ground floor is mainly for public area, and the first floor mainly for private area. And inside of the building, uh, the view the view can be viewed toward the central market, the river direction, and also the Kasturi Walk. So, but the front view of it is limited because of the main road due to the busy traffic route. And lastly, the circulation will be from the main road and also Kasturi Walk and the Klang River Bridge. So for the in terms of construction, this building mainly use of RC concrete for the structure and also the wall. So the cantilever part, which is here, is supported with steel column, and it is covered with one side slanted roof. So this is my cut sectional perspective with the label of number that show the construction detail from the roof all the way to the ground foundation. So this is the construction details of it, and then all the way to the roof, ground, and also foundation of this building. So these are the floor plans. As you notice that the building is surrounded with trees which act as a noise barrier that block the noise from the surrounding, and the vehicle driveway circulate all the way back to the kitchen, which they can load their stuff directly to the kitchen. And in front there, as you see, there's a drop-off area. So when entering the building, it is the reception area, and beside the reception is the opening waiting area, and the back part of it is the breakout room, kitchen, and also the toilet area. So in the middle is the tree plaza, where the user can enjoy the view wherever position it is. So the first floor is mainly the office area where all the staff will be working at, and there will be a rooftop garden where user can access to it to enjoy the outside vibe of the garden. So this is all the diagram that shows the spatial qualities of spaces of this building. And for the transformable space is when is the I would say the tree plaza and also all the ground floor interior spaces. So when the pivot door is open, it is fully connect with the outdoor area and also the indoor ground floor area, which purposely designed for whenever the building having an event. So, and lastly, this is all the elevation, the front, back, left, right, and also the section details of this building. And then lastly is the model of the building, which is in scale of 1 to 100. So yeah, that's for my final presentation. Thank you.